Yesterday, Samsung conducted a event, unpacked event. On that event, they have announced the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and Samsung Galaxy Buds, and also the Samsung Watch Series 4. In this video, we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and let's go through the physical aspects. This Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, when it's folded, it will be a 6.2 inches of dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz refresh rate. Not only the bigger screen, but also the smaller screen also comes with a 120 Hz of fast refresh rate, and resolution will be above HD resolution. And when we talk about the unfolded screen size and resolution, when we unfold this Z Fold 3 mobile, it will be a 7.6 inches of dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz refresh rate, HDR 10+ content certified display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for the front. When it's closed, the display will be protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. And when we talk about the processor, this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, which means it comes with a flagship processor. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G 5nm based octa-core gaming processor. And for the variants, this mobile will be available in only two variants. Those are 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage and 12GB RAM 512GB of internal storage, and with no expandable memory. Unfortunately, these are UFS 3.1 storage capacities and with the LPDDR5 RAMs. And when we talk about the cameras, this is a major section which Samsung improved the foldable mobiles cameras gradually. So this mobile comes with the triple cameras at the back side. When it's folded, it will have three cameras at the back side: 12 megapixels of main wide angle, 12 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, and also a 12 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera. And when it's unfolded, when this mobile is in unfold situation, if you want to take a selfie, it comes with a 4 megapixels of punch hole under display selfie camera. This is the first mobile which comes with the under display selfie camera in a foldable mobile. So Samsung, great job. And this mobile, when it's folded, it will comes with a 10 megapixels of front facing selfie camera on that smaller display of a 6.2 inches. And to give something, we have to lose something. That means Samsung has improved everything, but they decrease the battery size. Yes, it comes with a 4400 milliamps of smaller battery than the last year, which is lesser 100 mAh of battery. And this mobile also comes with the S Pen support. Yes, because they are discontinuing the Note series. And and when we talk about the battery charging speeds, it comes with a 25 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also supports 15 watts of wireless charge, and it can also reverse wireless charge other mobiles up to 4.5 watts. This is a cool thing. And this is the first foldable mobile which also comes with a water resistance IPX8. X means it doesn't have dust resistant, but 8 means it has a water resistant. You can also dip this mobile in the water, it can survive. And when we talk about the physical aspects, this comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner instead of in display, obviously. And when we talk about the speakers, it comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, and it also comes with the top end features like Wi-Fi 6E dual band Wi-Fi and 2.5 GHz bands support. And it also comes with Bluetooth 5.0, which is the latest version of Bluetooth support. And when we talk about the SIM cards, it comes with a dual SIM card support instead of one SIM card, physical SIM cards. And when we talk about the features like this mobile runs on Android version 11 out of the box with One UI 3.5. And when we talk about the colors, this mobile is available in Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, and Phantom Green, 3 colors. And this mobile also comes with the S Pen support. Now S Pen means it doesn't have a slot to put the S Pen in your mobile. You need to buy separate case for the S Pen. There are two types of S Pens available for this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. One is S Pen, one is S Pen Pro. Pro means it doesn't have a inbuilt battery, and it has a latency mode and some issues and some things. And this uses a Bluetooth technology to work. So you have to charge this S Pen Pro separately with a USB Type-C cable, but S Pen, it will stick to your mobile when you buy separate case for it. Pricing, this is the major section we want to know. And this mobile was released at US. It doesn't release in India until now, but if you convert those US prices to India, it will become 1,35,000 rupees approx. So Yeah, let's wait. Samsung saying we will release the Fold 3 mobile under 1 lakh. So let's wait and see. By the way, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button.